Over the past 2 decades, Turkey has successfully undergone a major transformation in its maritime defense industry. From a country dependent on imported naval defense equipment, Turkey has now emerged as one of the most ambitious warship manufacturers in the Eurasian region. Turkey's national warship program focuses not only on meeting the needs of the Turkish Navy, but also on strengthening technological independence. Major milestone in the revival of the Turkish warship industry began with the launch of the Milli Gemi Kapal Nasional program in the early 2000s. This program was designed as a strategic effort to develop locally designed warships, ranging from corvettes and frigates to future destroyers. One of the main advantages of Turkish warships is their stealth design. The hull and superstructure are designed with sharp angles to minimize radar reflections. Furthermore, the use of special materials and the placement of weapons in enclosed compartments make the ships more difficult to detect by enemy radar. Turkish warships are equipped with the latest generation of domestically developed radar systems, such as ÇAFRAD and SMART-S. These radars are capable of simultaneously detecting various threats, from fighter aircraft and cruise missiles to surface vessels at long ranges. The sophistication of Turkish warships is further evident in their weapon systems. Various types of modern weapons can be integrated, including long-range anti-ship missiles, multi-layer air defense missiles, large-caliber automatic naval guns, and anti-submarine torpedoes. Turkish warships also excel in electronic warfare capabilities. These systems are capable of detecting, jamming, and misdirecting enemy radar signals and communications. With this technology, ships can protect themselves from radar-guided missile attacks and increase their chances of survival on the modern battlefield. One of the latest innovations is the ability of Turkish warships to operate in network-centric warfare. Ships can connect with unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, maritime helicopters, and other combat units in real time. Turkish warships use modern propulsion systems such as Kodag, combined diesel and gas, and Kodlig, which provide a balance between high speed and fuel efficiency. This technology allows ships to operate for extended periods without compromising performance, which is crucial for patrol missions and long-range maritime operations. Turkey's strategic advantage lies in its high level of local content. Many key components of warships, from radars and CMSs to weapons and communications equipment, are produced domestically. This allows Turkey to be less dependent on other countries and to have greater flexibility in development and export. Thanks to its sophisticated technology and competitive prices, Turkish-made warships are gaining popularity among various countries. This marks Turkey's transformation from a mere user of defense equipment to a manufacturer and exporter of modern warships. Turkish warships reflect remarkable advances in maritime and defense technology. With stealthy designs, advanced sensor systems, integrated weaponry, and strong industrial independence, Turkey is now a maritime power to be reckoned with regionally and globally. The sophistication of these warships not only strengthens national defense but also affirms Turkey's position as a major player in the global defense industry. The success of Turkey's warship program is inextricably linked to its growing local design capabilities. Institutions such as STM's Teknolojileri and ISTIF and National Shipyard play a crucial role in designing modern warship platforms tailored to the operational needs of the Turkish Navy. Turkish warship designs emphasize several key aspects, such as stealth capabilities to reduce radar and infrared signatures, system modularity for easy upgrades, operational efficiency with lower maintenance costs, and adaptability to modern threats, including asymmetric warfare and naval drones. This design approach allows Turkey to develop multiple warship variants from a single basic concept, while accelerating the production process. The initial phase of Milgem resulted in the ISTIF-class corvette, Turkey's first nationally designed warship. This corvette is designed for anti-submarine missions, maritime patrols, and maritime security. The success of the ISTIF-class paved the way for the development of larger and more complex platforms. Next, Turkey moved into production of the Istanbul-class I-class frigates, which feature larger dimensions, longer range, and more comprehensive armaments. These frigates integrate advanced radars, a national combat management system, and a variety of domestically produced weapons. The development of the frigates marked a significant improvement in engineering capabilities and systems integration, while strengthening Turkey's position as a country with a high-tech warship industry. The success of local design must be matched by mass production capabilities. Turkey invested significant resources in modernizing its military and civilian shipyards, such as those in Istanbul and other coastal areas. Mass production of Turkish warships is carried out according to modern industrial standards, including digital-based manufacturing processes, integration of domestic supply chains, and phased and standardized system testing. This production model allows Turkey to build multiple ships in parallel, accelerating delivery times and reducing production costs. Furthermore, the involvement of hundreds of local companies creates a sustainable maritime defense industry ecosystem. One of the key advantages of Turkey's Warship program is the use of domestically developed combat and electronic systems. Companies such as Eselson and Havelson play a central role in the development of radars, electronic warfare systems, sonars, and combat management systems. With local systems, Turkey has full control over integration, maintenance, and continued development. This reduces dependence on foreign suppliers and minimizes the risk of embargoes or technology restrictions. The success of the national warship program opens up significant export opportunities. Turkish-built warships are gaining traction among countries seeking modern, competitively priced platforms with high flexibility. Exports include not only finished ships, but also design, technology, and joint production partnerships. This strategy expands the influence of the Turkish defense industry in the international market and strengthens defense diplomacy. The Turkish warship. The program has broad strategic implications for national security. With a fleet built to meet its own needs, the Turkish Navy has greater operational flexibility in safeguarding its territorial waters, trade routes, and maritime interests. Going forward, Turkey aims to develop larger and more advanced warships, including destroyers with long-range air defense systems. The focus is also on the integration of future technologies such as artificial intelligence, unmanned systems, and integrated combat networks. With a strong foundation of local design and mature mass production capabilities, Turkey's warship program is projected to continue to grow and become a key pillar of national maritime power. The Turkish warship program, from local design to mass production, is a clear example of how strategic vision, technological investment, and industrial collaboration can transform a nation's maritime power landscape. From corvettes to modern frigates, Turkey has proven that self-reliance in the defense industry is not merely an ambition, but a reality that is constantly evolving towards a stronger and more sovereign future.